Hello and welcome to another EVAREST video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to download the new EVAREST anonymisation software update which is required for the EVAREST study. First thing to do is to access this website on dropbox.com, and the link to this should be on an email that's been sent to you, or it's in the description of this video below. So once you're here, simply go to the download tab in the top right hand corner and select direct download. That should download the zipped folder to your downloads folder. I've moved that onto my desktop. What you then need to do is to double click it to open it up. Once you open it, scroll down to everest_anonymizer.exe. Double click this to extract the files, click to extract all, keep it in the save destination and extract the files. Once this is complete, a new folder with the extracted files will pop up. Once again, scroll down to EVAREST Anonymizer, which is the complete version of the software. Right click and create a shortcut to your desktop. You can then click and drag this onto the desktop for easy access to the software. Then you can simply double click this icon to open up the EVAREST anonymisation software. So thanks very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.